Put his glasses on. Go ahead, boy. The old man.
Passing out of middle school is a very obvious part of life for many individuals. However, it becomes the biggest moment, sort of a turning point, in everyone's life for the moment it marks. It is a summation of who you are today, the person who is about to step out of this room and take on the bigger challenges of life. I remember the first day of school and how apprehensive we were. Little did we know that these faces were to become some of the best friends for a lifetime. Over the years, we learned many different lessons. Some of these go beyond textbooks and project work. However, today we restart our journey in a new world with a different set of people. We are again at a juncture of life where we will constantly strive to climb ladders of success, both academic and social. As we leave today, we are far more equipped and edified to face the world because of our ardent teachers. These men and women have toiled along with us for years to reach newer heights with every passing academic year. Together, we have overcome pitfalls, explored new dimensions, and achieved much more than what we had set out for. And for that, we thank you.